Hello loves, I'm doing a little self-care moment and I wanted to share a few products with y'all that I'm using. So I do have brow tint in my brows. Some of it got on the box, but this is from Ardell and it's the brow tint, obviously. I really like this stuff. It lasts probably like a week and a half-ish. It says on the box it lasts 2 weeks. I'd say it kind of lasts around then. And now I really need to get this peach fuzz off my face. So I'm just going to put some serum all over my face and use this new tool that I have shared with y'all already, but I needed to just share it again because I really do like it a lot. This is the Pelka's dermablading tool, and it has the razor, and then it has a vibration mode and a light, which is so cool. And then I just go down my face like so, and this will just take all of that peach fuzz off my face, which helps making my makeup look so much better, and also my face overall looking better. All right, next up it's time for a face mask. If y'all have been following me for a very long time, especially on Instagram, I love the Freeman's brand. This is the Energize Gel Mask for exhausted skin and mood. I'm exhausted all the time. Maybe I should use this way more. All right, it is clear. This is the first time I'm using this one, but I have used so many of their other ones. It smells kind of citrusy and inner. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay, I'm just gonna put this all over my face, and it says to leave on for 10 minutes. You can also use this as a cleanser, it says, which is awesome. I really like the new packaging that they have. So let's leave this on for 10 minutes, and after that will be when I need to wipe my brows. Wipe the dye off my brows as well. All right, 10 minutes are up. I'm gonna wash this off and I'll be right back. All right, next up I'm gonna go in with some toner. I'm gonna use this line from the dollar store, and it's a dupe for, I think, Glow Recipe. I'm not quite sure though. But going in with the toner, so Glow Up Toner with watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid. Now, I'm usually extremely sensitive to anything that has watermelon in it for my face. I've used a few things and it has not ended well. This, however, is totally fine and it works just great. So, once this dries down, then I'm going to use some of the Glow Up serum. Okay, I pressed pause on the camera, but right as I did, I twisted the lid onto here and completely just broke the top part of this bottle. I have such a bad habit of twisting lids way too tight because I have a fear that they're going to obviously come off or open up. Now I just broke the whole freaking glass. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to, I think I have an extra bottle I can put that in. Whoops, my bad. All right, going in with the serum. Do like 2 pumps. And I'm just gonna put this all over my face. So I don't know too much about skincare. I'm not sure. I know I can learn so much more on which products I should use for my skin type and how to apply them and all that, but I'm doing what I know. My face is a little red from that face mask. I'm doing what I know, and my face doesn't look too bad in my opinion for what I've been doing. Then I'm going to go in with the Amora Sparkle Spell Eye Roller. And y'all will see an upcoming video of me using all of Amora, which is Five Below. They have it at Five Below. All of their skincare. Not all of their skincare, but my whole face routine is using their skincare. And I don't know why I'm holding my hand like this. And I really, really like it. So, sneak peek on that. All right, next up is the last thing I'm going to do. And this is the Glow Up Night Moisturizer. And this smells so good. Just have it on my finger like so. And then I'm going to rub it all over my face and down my neck. And that is my skincare routine for the night. It always changes up because I have so much skincare that I need to use up. So stay tuned to see all the other stuff that I have. I used to collect makeup. Then I got a little nuts with skincare, especially when the dollar store came out with a really good brand, and then Five Below came out with a really good brand, and then there's a few other things that I love using. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.